When this black lady called 911 on her little man, the cop showed up. But the weird thing is that she straight up denied calling the police. But wait until you see this cop's genius idea to catch her red-handed.
I don't know who called you. I did call you.
What's your phone? Start with that.
603-85. I'm from New Hampshire. Well, I'm from Massachusetts originally.
Okay, so who's in the apartment with you?
Me?
Okay, who else?
Me?
Because there's someone else.
I have to get ready, sir.
Okay.
I have to go to work.
We got a
I have to go to work.
call.
Hello?
Hi.
Oh,
Okay, so that's the number that called 911.
I actually have two different numbers on my
That's
phone.
the number that called 911.
Oh, you're right, it was.
They